any of the holidays, Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, birthdays, even weddings. This votive that I made is a lot of pinks, a lot of clears, a lot of silvers, and it really emulates wedding colors. So this is a pattern that once you start to get used to using the enameling and the pigments, you can make this color, and that could be your wedding pattern, and you can put that on something like this large chalice and give that away as a gift for the wedding couple. You can make smaller ones and they can drink out of them at their wedding, or you can just use a large one and they can put a candle in it and the light will shine through this in a really, really nice way. And you can use, like I said, any of the colors or styles for all the holidays. And one of my favorites is a small frame in the red and green Christmas colors. And this is a great giveaway for everyone. They love to see the holiday colors, and the pattern and the choices of your beads should emulate the style of Christmas, the holly shapes and berry shapes, and everyone will enjoy this frame.